it's Morgan with WTI.
I'm obsessed with the 17-piece bathroom accessories kit from XLHOMO. It is so pretty, so cute in our bathroom. I love how everything is matching and it's functional and it just looks so good together. Everything has been super useful. I love all these little tags. You can customize the pumps for anything that you need. These little containers are also awesome for our Q-tips and our cotton balls, which we use all the time. It goes together so nicely, and I just think it looks so pretty in my bathroom. I love when there are pretty things that are also functional, and this is definitely it. It looks great on our vanity, and it is so, so useful. I love this trash can with the 360 lid. It is so nice, so great in our bathroom. Again, I'm loving these pumps. I love the toothbrush stand, and you can put your floss in there, or you can put your toothpaste. It's just really practical and it makes it look a lot nicer than just sitting around. And the toilet brush is also really great. It cleans super well and it is all right there. Absolutely love it and it looks so nice. It comes with so many different accessories that you can use for any type of product or item that you need. This is just so great and I love it.
And that's my point of view.